Now that we have our outside drawing of the key plate, we're going to concentrate on the inside. Let's look at these four corners first. You'll notice that it tells me 3/4 drill, 4 holes. This note with this word drill lets me know that it is a diameter. This is actually a milling term. We would tell our manufacturer how we wanted these holes to be drilled. So they're not stamped, but they're actually drilled. So our diameter is 3/4. And remember, we want this to be half of that to make a diameter. Multiply the bottom number by 2 and keep the top number. That tells me this should be 3/8 is what I set my radius to. Set your compass to 3/8. In the center of each one of our circles, we're going to place our little circles. The next thing that we're going to do is, if you notice, this also is 3/4 total width. So that means that this little circle here is the same radius as these circles here. And same thing on the other side. So I'm going to line up my center points and draw half a circle on each end here, keeping it at 3/4. The next part to this is I have a 3-inch diameter circle right here, right in the middle. So I'm going to set my compass to 1.5 inches and draw my big circle. And then I'm going to connect those little circles across the top and bottom. And then I'm going to create those little tops over here. As I look at this, it tells me that there is a total width of 3/4. So for that, I'm going to start by measuring 3/8 to my left and 3/8 to my right. Draw vertical lines. And because this particular dimension here starts at the top or bottom of this straight piece, I'm going to measure wherever it hits my circle and then come up 3/8, not from the top of my circle. So from this point where the circle and the straight line meet, I'm going to measure 3/8. we're about ready to darken our part and to dimension it up.